in okay, let's bring in these two shapes for our word. Let's start with this. As usual, we select this, then we copy it, Control C, come to the dashboard, do Control V, just put it anywhere. Okay, let's place it here. So we need something that will at least blend with what we have here already. I'm thinking we should still go with our gray background. Okay, let's try the gray background and see how it looks like. Um, Let me drag this out of the way. There is something covering me here. Okay, with the with the shape selected, we click on shape format. Let's do a shape fill. Uh, no, not this, not this. I need something darker than this. Not this. I need something, not this, something in between. Sorry, I'm just trying to look for something that will. Okay, let's try this. Let's take out the shape outline. Let's remove the shape outline, no outline. Because it's meant for an award, let's make it a bit fanciful, just a bit. So let's click on the shape. Let's do a little bit of let's add some gradients. Okay. Okay, okay, this looks good. Then let's put some effect. Let's use the bevel effect. Looking at the one that would, let's see this. No, selected. I'm trying to select it again. Oh no, shape, not this. Should be shape effect, sorry. It should be shape effect, not text effect. I think I was doing the wrong thing. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's try this. Let's leave the one behind the way it is. Then let's bring in what was it called? Let's bring in the trophy now. This is the trophy. We select the trophy, Control C, come here, do Control V. Let's reduce the size. Let's make it small. Let's take it up, put it somewhere here. Let's give it a white fill. White. Okay. Then this for top product. Let's bring in our text. Let's insert our text box. Come here, click on text box. Let's draw that. Top product. Okay. Let's increase the size a bit. Let's widen this to accommodate the two words. Delete. Okay. We'll still do some top product. Okay. No. Okay. Let's take out the background. With the shape selected, we go to shape format. Shape fill, we don't want any fill. Outline, we don't want any outline. The text, let's highlight the text. Go to home. Let's give it a white font color. Let's make it bold. You can see, reduce this a bit. Okay. Okay, we can reposition the cup later. Okay, we can do it now. Because we are still going to bring one more shape here. So let me see if I can. Okay. Let me take this to the center. I think it's then let's bring in what's it called? Let's look at this. The product, okay, the product name, product, the, what's it called, number of units, I mean the quantity and the amount. We still need our, what's it called, text box. So let's go to insert again. Let's bring in three text boxes now. This first one. Let's do the three at a go. Insert again. Okay, let's just copy this. This is already highlighted. Let's just Control C, Control V. Oh, not this. Let's highlight this. This is selected already. Control D. I don't know why it's so difficult to copy text boxes. Control C, Control V. It's never going to get copied. Okay, let's bring it again. Insert this. Another one. Insert again. Text box. This. Another one. So we use this first one for our product name. Let's make it a bit bigger to accommodate the full text. Okay. Equals to, don't forget, we are not typing it here. We are going to link it with the cell in our pivot table worksheet. So with this selected, let us come here and put our equals to here. We go back to our worksheet. Let's zoom in a bit. Okay, can't see anything. Oh, okay, sorry, it's because I've already selected. I've put equals to it. Okay, let me unselect that. Let me come back here and try and zoom in. Where is the products section? I think it's here. Okay, these are products. This is top product and this is the product name. So you can go back to the dashboard with this text box selected. Come here, put an equals to sign. Come here, just center. So that's our text. That's the product name. Let's bring in the quantity at now equals to. So don't forget to put our equals to here. And I hope we still remember the reason why we are not typing in the values here directly, just to make it dynamic, so that when the values change in the pivot table sheet, it also changes here, So that's why we need to just come here. The unit is this. That is it. In kg, that's the, oh, okay. The unit is different. Okay, let's do this. This is for the quantity. Then we need another test box for the unit. So let's use this for the unit. No. Let's just reduce this. Let's take it up. Let's bring it here. So equals to, let's go back to the pivot table sheet. This is the unit, enter. Not this. Let me see. Oh, okay, sorry. Our equals to should be here in the formula bar. Equals to, let's come here, put the unit, enter. So that's the unit. So let's bring in another text box for the sales value. Insert, come here, text box. Is this selected? Text box, okay. Okay, it's here already. Let me just, let me reduce the size. Let me reposition it. Our equals to sign will be here, equals to. We come here and put the sales value, enter. So we have all the values there now. So let's just quickly edit this. Let's leave this as gold. Let's use this gold color. So we can use the format painter. Let's just come here, select the what's it called, the text. Click on the format painter. That is it. Let's reduce the size. Let's make it 8. We can increase it again. So We can use, if we want to use some format printer, we don't want to be doing one after the other. We can just come here. Now, we want to use the same good color for these other three texts. Let's just come here. Instead of clicking once, you can double click. So you can use it severally. Use it here. Come here. Use it here and use it here. Oh, where is our shape? Disappeared. Okay, let me increase it so that it doesn't interfere with what I'm doing. Okay, let me do that again. Let me select this again. Let me double click on this format printer. Use it here, use it here. So you don't have to do it, you don't have to do that several times. You can just if you want to use the format printer once, you want just format one text, you click on the format printer once. If you want to use it severally, click on it or double click on it and you can use it for as many times as you want. So let's reduce the size of this to 10 as well. Let's reduce the size of this to 10. The format printer is selected, so let's just click on an empty space, so it takes it away. So let's reduce this to 10. So I think it's coming together. So let's take this back to the original size it was before we increased it. So these two should be side by side. Come on. Okay, let me take this down. We can actually group these two together. You select this, press the Control key, select this, then right click, group, click group. So they should be together. So these two can be together. So I think this is making sense. You can increase the font size of this, just to make it, and this to, okay. I think this is not bad. What do we think? I think this is good, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So we can just, since we have created, you can just duplicate it and use it. So you can let's just group everything together. We select this with our Control key down, select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, and right click, group. So I can make a copy of this. So with all this selected, Control D. That's a duplicate. So I can come here. If I didn't do that, and if I just without grouping everything together, if I just selected this shape, and if then I just do a Control D, would have just copied. If I just made a duplicate of the shape alone, it won't make a duplicate of all these values inside the shape. So that's why I had to group everything together before I duplicated it, so that everything will be duplicated all at once. So we need to just change this to category now. So all we need to do is I can ungroup everything here now. I can ungroup them, So just come select them, control, 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 then come here, you take ungroup. So I can now treat them I can treat them independently. So I need to change this top product now to top category. So with this selector, I can remove whatever it's here, So before I do that, let me go and check where the category is. So where is category? Okay, we have it here. This is top category and it says value. It doesn't have, I don't think, okay, let's see okay, just category and the sales value. Okay, fine. So let's come back here. So we don't need this, delete it. Just the category name and the category and the sales value. We can bring this down. Equals to, no, not here, sorry. Equals to top category, enter. So, and that's, so let's use format painter. Let's just click on this. Oh, this is already grouped. So let's just, I don't want to start from grouping again. So we can just make this white. And that does it. Make it bold. Let's go back. What happened? Let me select. Or is it because of the size? Once it's okay, let me try that again. Bold. Okay. Let me, probably is the size. Yeah. Because the moment I made it bold, I think it becomes a bit wider than the space here. So it just disappeared, you know. So we should have the category name here. So let's take this out. Equals to, let's go get the category name. Category 4. Let's come back here. Let's change the color to white. Change the color to white. Let's make it bold. Good. And the value is, let's come here, go back to the sheets. This is the enter. Let's make it bold. Let's give it a white font color. It's not selected. Come on. Okay, white. Let's make it bold. Oh, we are using gold. Sorry. I don't know. We're using gold, not this color. Sorry. This is gold.
Even we did not pick that as well.
Sorry?
I said even we said we
We did
didn't
not. I just looked at the other one to compare and I saw that it's gold. It's different, they are different colors. Okay. I don't want to. Okay, let me just look for gold. I'm sure I should see it somewhere. Is it this gold?
No, a little different.
It's a little different.
You want to use the format painter to get it from total text.
Okay, I think it's this gold. Let's use this. Format painter. Just like it will increase the size of the.
Yes.
Okay, we have to reduce the size again. Format painter. Let me make it 10. I think I use 10. I think it's 10. I should have. Okay. Format painter. 10. Okay, I think that settles it. So what's the font size of this? I use this is 12. Let's make them equal. I think this is 11. So let's make this 11 as well. Then let's take it up. So they will be on the, and should not be a trophy. I think this should be, what is it called now? I think it should be this. Control C. We come back here. Control V. Let's take this out of the way. Let's delete this. What's the size? The size is, can we see the size? 105 by 106. Let's give it the same size, 1.05 by 1.06. Okay. To bring it here, you go to graphic format, fill. Let's give it that white fill. Okay. I think that settles that. It looks like what we are aiming at.
You are not autosave, sir.
I'm not. I've been trying to activate autosave. It keeps telling me, giving me one message that I should go and register something. I've just said, okay, I'll go and check what the message is all about later, you know. But I've been saving manually. This, what's this? Okay, so let's quickly, I don't know what this is. What is this? Delete. It's not even getting deleted. It's something, no. Delete, so it's gone. Okay. Let's do the tree map. I think this is not looking badly. Okay, let's do the tree map. Let's go back to, not here. Let's go back here. Come here, the tree map. This is let's copy this as usual. Control C, come here, Control V. Um, let's put it in there. Okay. So let's just fit it in here, you know. So to avoid too much of color riots, I think we should just go with the colors we have here already. So what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. And this one is not showing well. It's not showing fully. Okay, let's see how we do that. Oops. Okay. Okay, let's for this. We have these colors here already. Okay, let me check what color code this is. Let's select just this. I'm selecting just this. I want to check what color code it is. I think it is more colors. Let me just copy it. Control C. I want to use that. This color, more color, custom, Control V. So I think we've repeated that for that. I think this is filtering something. Um, this green, this shade of green. I don't know. Let's use I don't know. I need suggestions. We have 5 categories here. Let's use this shade of green. No, I want to be sure of what I'm selecting. For this, okay, color, we come to color. I know we've done this thing severally, so I want to think we should be familiar with what I'm doing now. So that's, then this red should not be here. I think we can go with, still go with something like gold or something. You know, I don't know what we can go with. Let me see. Oh no, it's I'm looking at something not too
Maybe clashing with the other one.
clashing with other one. Yes, yeah, it's clashing. That's true. Looking at
Maybe
something,
we can
maybe
make it a darker or
darker.
a
Okay,
lighter yellow, something.
something like this.
You use that brown already.
We used it already. Okay,
So maybe the bright yellow
the bright yellow. Okay,
to separate the two.
bright yellow. Okay.
Yes, where you
This.
are now.
Okay.
Let's see. How does that fit in? Does it fit in well enough?
I think it does. I think it does.
Yeah, I think so
It
too.
does. Yes. There's
That's
this
the
blue.
blue that is out of order now.
Maybe we should use the gray for this blue. So let's maybe gray color. I just if you tune, yeah, we've never taken out. Let's take out the background first and see what we have
Okay.
for the shape. And we've not taken out the background. Format, shape fill, no fill. Eh, why? Why you? Oh, it's
What if you use a gray fill?
a gray fill, Abby.
A,
Okay, I think it's done now. I think I selected the the colors, the
uh,
visual inside along with the
okay.
other, yes, along with the background color. Let me do, yes, let me do this now. No outline again. No outline. Okay. So
We get to change the blue.
The
The name.
blue, I think that blue is
Should we use dark green as another shade of green there?
another shade of green. Okay. Let's go for it and see. What's this? Close. This one that I want. Okay. Something like this. I think I
It's
said everything is
still
selected.
something. Yeah.
Everything is selected.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is that chosen?
I don't think so. Let me see. I think it is. At times. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see it in full view. I think it's not bad.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. I think it's not bad.
What
Maybe we should use another color because this
for
is
the
not showing
font?
for the yes.
The font color. Maybe something
Yes.
dark.
It's something dark, yes. I always like to see the ribbon. Let me take this font, dark, bold. This category. This one is this is the issue, this category, this data label. Escape. This one is not. Mm,
Maybe because of the size of
the
that,
size, because of the size, no, I'm just trying to. If I were to extend it, it will be okay. But
but it will not align with the rest.
yes, it will not align.
Mm.
That is it will align. Why am I even having five categories? How many do they have here? One, two, three, four. They have four categories here. Oh,
I don't think it's exactly the same data set.
I thought it was the same data. Oh,
I
okay.
don't think so.
Uh, so let me see. What can we do? I don't think there's anything we can do. As long
No,
as, as long, the
the,
only
the,
thing,
the cursor is showing us anyway when we hover the cursor on top of it.
okay, category three. Okay, at least we know there's one, because there is no better way to even adjust the data label. Nothing. I
Mm.
don't think
Even if we put it in the middle, it will still cut off
it will still
because
cut
where
off.
that place is cutting off is
Yes,
so.
there's nothing we can actually, there's nothing we can do, you know.
Mm.
That's the truth. There's
Yeah.
nothing we can do because of the only solution is to expand the
And that's only if after putting the slicers on the left, there's a bit of space. Maybe we'll bring them.
we'll bring them back. Okay, let's quickly do this guy so that at least we know we are done with all the visuals. And if there's time, we can quickly do the what's it called, the selectors as well. So for this, the payment mode, I think, Control C, we come here, Control V, we drag this guy here. Either so we can just replicate this and copy. Is that way we can even copy? Let me
I
see.
think if you pick the whole thing and do format painter, it would.
Format painter B.
I think so.
Okay, because I'm thinking, let me first delete this and see. Let me pick everything. Okay. Let me just
Just
division.
yeah,
Just
just
division.
the pie
Control
chart.
C, Control V. Uh, Control C,
No,
Control.
no, we are not copying it. I think we should
What did
just copy the format. We should just copy the
I
format.
copy the format? Okay. I get it now. Delete. Okay, let me just undo. So, let me just undo everything. Okay, I get what you mean now. Control C, Control V. Okay. It's not highlighted though. Let me see with this. It's not allowing me to. The format painter is grayed out. If I select the visual, except it's only working for the what's it called, the background shape. For the visual itself, for this chart, for the donut chart, is grayed out. So it's not allowing me to copy the format. Okay. I think we need to have to go through the rigor of editing this again or formatting. Let me take this out or formatting this shape. Format. Sorry, what's selected? Sorry, I'm even a bit confused. Let me tell you, something is blocking my view. I'm trying to take it out. Okay, let's go to format again. Shape fill, no fill. Outline, no outline. Okay, let's click since we used yesterday, so it should not be so difficult. Design, I think we chose this design. Then the quick layout, we used, was it this? I think we used this. Then for this, then we took out the background again. Format, shape fill, no fill. Is there any layout? In case, let's take it out. No layout. Then for this, let's bring the data label. No, they should be together. Why is they should be selected together? Sorry. Yes, together. Data label to the bottom. I don't need more options now. Should be to the bottom now. Some things are blocking my view. That's I'm okay. Close.
It's
This one,
because we are is it data label or legend? Those
is
ones
it
are,
legend?
I think they are
I
legend.
want to say legend. I had to say legend though. I kept choosing data label. This data label should be percentage. So let's just make it bold. Why now? Oh, bold. Let me take out the background again.
So excuse me, please.
Okay.
What's the difference between the legend and the data label?
Okay, this 50% here, these two are the data label. What is underneath here is the legend. Legend is just trying to describe what we have here in the visual, telling us that yellow is for online method of payment, while red is for cash method of payment. But here the label here is telling us that the payment methods are shared, equally in between themselves,
Okay.
50-50. So that's the difference.
Okay,
This
thank you
this
so
is
much.
descriptive of the picture. This is telling us about the data itself, the way it is shared, the way the values are shared. Yeah. I hope that answers it.
Thank you so much.
All right. So with this selected, we come here. We don't need this. There's no outline, so let's just expand. Trying to expand this itself. Okay, it can grow bigger. Okay. I think then we can bring it down. I think that should do it. So let's just take out this red. We don't want this red color. You have to double click. Let's use grab this. Let's use this. So I'm trying to take this away. So let's use this. Don't mind me, please. I'm thinking the white stuff is not showing well. Should we go for black?
We can.
This, okay. Should we go? Let's go for black. And make it bold. Okay. I think something is there.
I think it's the outline.
Is outline, okay. Oh, okay. So let's just put what's it called here? The logo.
Mr. Jide, should we do the logo and the rest tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes. So it's 1945.
That's as well. Yeah,
Wow.
the time